After morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is June the 19th, 2024. We're taking a look at our Dioscorea alata yam vines. Now, the rains have finally come. Started maybe a week and a half ago, and now they're starting to really pick up, and that's what we need. The grow medium here is leaves and detritus, inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. So these yams, they're last year's yield. All I did was I replanted them in this grow medium because I want the new yams to be able to expand to the largest size possible in the soil. But if you take a look at our lead lines here, these ropes, I got 4 of them. The vines have absolutely grabbed onto the lead lines, and they are growing very rapidly. Look at that. I mean, they are just speeding toward the canopy, toward that sunlight. So going forward in this year, we're probably going to get a hefty amount of productivity from these yam vines. So if you're interested in getting the Your World Explorer brand image printed on a canvas, on a t-shirt, on a cup, a keychain, you name it, just go to zazzle.com/Your World Explorer and you can get all of that right there. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will be keeping you updated on the progress of all of these Dioscorea alata yam vines. Have a great day.